Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Saily eSIM. So the first step, you need to purchase an eSIM plan and click check your eSIM plan. So here you can see that check your eSIM plan, click here and click on install eSIM. Your eSIM is ready to be installed. Then you need to click on install eSIM. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to settings. Click on allow, and once you allow, here you can see that follow the on-screen instructions and your eSIM card is now here, you can see that installed. So you will receive this notification when your eSIM is installed. And before you are going on traveling, make sure you activate your plan from here. So this is a process that you need to follow to activate Saily eSIM. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.